It's time to CELE-BRUNCH.
Yes! This dish has perfectly poached eggs in this vibrant tomato sauce.
Oh, it's so great, and we make it even better, topped with a little feta cheese.
I'd say this dish is excellent.
It sure is. One you're gonna want to plunge into.
That's right. Break that yolk.
Oh, let's do it. It's brunch. Yay! So I'm Chris.
And I'm Wesley.
My brunchalicious Loon.
That's right. I love brunch.
I love brunch so much. We cannot get enough of brunch. And this dish, you guys, you may not know of it. It is spectacular.
Totally.
It's beautiful. It's really good, and it's easy. So let's get going with it. So I've got a quarter cup of olive oil that I'm putting in my nice sized skillet here over medium heat, and we are going to start off.
Oh, it's already glistening.
It is. Yes. Just like a perfect brunch.
Yeah.
What am I saying? Anyway.
Just like me.
Just like me when I'm eating Shakshuka. So now we've got an onion that we have chopped. This is so beautiful. And then we've got red bell pepper that we've chopped. It's as gorgeous as it is delicious. And then we're doing some jalapeno. Not all recipes include jalapeno, but I just think it adds a little punch of flavor.
Totally.
We took out the seeds and we took out the ribs, so it's doesn't add a lot of spice.
Plus, we got to add our little southwestern flair to it.
That's what we do. Okay, so now we're going to let this go until it gets nice and soft, and that's only about 4 to 5 minutes. Oh, the smell already is so great. But I mean,
I love it.
I do too. But we are about to elevate the smell and the taste sensation.
Yes.
Like unbelievable. Okay, this is 5 cloves of garlic. We're going to add into the mix. And now this is when these flavor enhancements is just amazing. So we've got a tablespoon of smoked paprika. I love smoked. You could use just regular sweet paprika or just regular paprika. Let me do this next. And then we've got a teaspoon of ground cumin.
These flavors are amazing, y'all.
And then just to give it just a little punch, we're going to do. I did a half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. If you want less spice, do a quarter teaspoon.
Or you don't even need to use.
Or leave it out. I mean, it's
cayenne.
But I mean, and the smell is already just like incredible.
And look at the color.
It's gorgeous.
It's amazing.
Okay, so now
I love it.
I know we started making this just not too long ago, and we're addicted to it. It's just phenomenal, and it really is quintessential brunch.
It really is, and it's so filling. And we serve it with a pita too.
I know,
which is
yes,
and
you'll see that in a moment.
Yeah.
When we first made it, we're like, should we add potatoes to it? Or I've seen some people put like
sausage, breakfast sausage,
and that's okay. That's okay, but
it is traditionally a breakfast dish. But I think, go ahead. Sorry.
No, what you?
No, I'd eat it any time of the day.
Yeah.
Chris, you're gonna spray those all
Well, it's what happens. We're in the kitchen. We're in the cooking with the
I always gotta grab you a towel then.
So now we've got a 28-ounce can of my favorite kind of tomato, which are San Marzano. But you want to do whole tomatoes, and I just break them into the pan with my hands. And as the Loon always says, I make a mess.
Totally.
But that's the way it goes.
He loves to do that.
It's better. I'm telling you, your hands are your best tools because you can feel the love as long as they're clean.
I love it. So this dish originated in northern Africa, correct? North Africa?
West.
Some say it was Yemen. No, actually, or Middle Eastern, too. Some say North Africa, some say Yemen. And then it's also a big hit in Israel as well. So there you have it. It's very international.
It really is. And it's been around since like the 1600s. I think it's been around for a long time. And I don't know why it's not more like it's famous in the States because I would order it on every time I go to brunch.
Yeah, totally.
Okay, now I'm going to add a little salt to this. I'm going to do a teaspoon of salt, and then I'm going to do a half a teaspoon of black pepper. And then we're just going to let this simmer, and what's going to happen is it's going to just thicken up as we let it simmer, and it comes together so fast. So
then we're going to put the eggs in. You see we have them all in our little separate containers just because we want to be very careful.
Very precise.
Yes.
You don't have to do that. But anyway, we're getting ahead of ourselves. So we're going to let this go for 15 minutes, and then we add those eggs.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, isn't this gorgeous?
Y'all, the smell in this kitchen right now is just
off the
amazing.
roof. I feel like we're at the Love Shakshuka. I had to say it. Okay, so now we're going to put the eggs in, and this is so much fun.
Yes.
I'm just going to go for it, and I'm going to use the back of my spoon just to make a little divot.
There you go.
Divot. The great thing is,
Make a divot.
The weight of the egg actually makes the divot. I just do that just because it's kind of fun.
Yeah.
And this is not meant to be super precise.
There you go.
Just
don't break the yolks, people.
And
I've broke a yolk before,
and
it makes me so mad.
Yeah, it's not a pretty scene, I'll tell you that. It's no yoking matter.
It's no. Wow. Wow. All right, come on.
Okay. All right, keep going. We're almost there.
I'm going. There we go.
This is so much fun.
And now we need one right there.
Any
in
dish
the
that has
middle.
any dish that you like cook an egg in.
So
like
you can
this.
already see it.
Starting to.
Yep.
Okay, now this is when it gets really fun.
We're gonna poach these.
We're gonna poach them. You gotta make sure you use a pan that has a lid, and we're gonna close this, and it's only gonna take 5 minutes, and then we top it with some cheese and eat.
Oh.
Okay, it's time for the big reveal.
Yay.
Gorgeous. Beautiful.
Look at those.
Isn't that just stunning?
I can't even.
I can't either.
You know what that needs?
What is that?
A little salt and pepper.
I'm gonna do that. You can do that. I didn't do this beforehand, but it doesn't matter. You can do it before.
Oh, y'all, those eggs look perfect.
They really
Chris.
do. And so if you like your
Look at
eggs
that color.
if you like your eggs kind of yolky, like when you get an eggs Benedict, then you can let it go for 3 minutes. We like them kind of medium. We don't want them too runny, but
Look at that.
runny enough.
And they sit in the pan still, so they're still cooking.
Yeah.
So it's still all right, but
So
it
he-
needs a little feta cheese on top.
This is our little touch. You don't have to add the
Yes.
cheese. I don't know if that's traditional or not.
Oh,
but we're like,
that's okay.
Let's add some feta.
Let's do it.
Just
Look
do
at
it,
that.
Wesley.
Oh,
Just-
Chris. Sorry, I'm trying to be careful.
I know,
I don't want to break a yolk.
we
I don't
know
want to
that.
be Dwight Yoakam.
Okay. Oh, gosh.
Oh, that's not even.
That's not even funny. All right, so now we're going to add a little parsley, and this is a work of art.
so
I mean,
funny.
look, isn't that beautiful?
Gorgeous. Yay, let's eat it.
I am so.
Oh, wait, and we also made these toasted
Pitas.
Pitas.
Yeah.
We lightly oiled them and put some sea salt on it.
And
too.
we toasted them.
Yes, that's what I
Okay.
said.
Oh, sorry. Okay. Now this is brunch at its very best. This is quintessential brunch. I'm just going to
I'm
bring
so
it.
excited, you guys. Don't break my yoke. Don't break my yoke. Come on. There you go. There you go, Chris. You didn't break it.
I know. I was nervous. That is gorgeous. I'm going to give you another one. I'm going to go for it.
Scoop it fast. Do a quick, fast
we
scoop.
go.
There you go. Right there.
Look at that. Look at that, folks. Tell me that's not something people are going to cheer about. And
I'm cheering.
I'm cheering
It's
too.
CELE-BRUNCH.
It's
Folks,
it's time to celebrate.
Once you're done, Chris,
Yeah.
I'm going to break my yoke.
I know. I think you should.
That's gorgeous.
Okay. I'm
You
so excited.
guys.
You guys,
Okay.
you got to make this. You're gonna. Well, let's eat it first,
Yeah.
and then we'll.
Hold on, I'm gonna break a yolk. Here we go. Oh, you guys. Oh, there
it's
it went.
perfect. Yay.
Oh.
That is awesome.
Okay, and I'm gonna take a little bit, put it on my pita. I'm just digging right in, Chris. I'm just gonna
Me
get
too.
it all.
Me too. I'm just gonna. Well, no.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh wow. Oh wow. It's hot. It's hot.
It's hot.
But it's amazing.
That's amazing.
I can't even tell you guys.
I just cannot believe that this isn't like the #1 brunch dish in the world. It reminds me a little bit. If you've ever had huevos rancheros, it's got that red pepper kind of
Watch out,
flavor,
Flo.
but it's just, and then obviously it doesn't have tortillas, but it's hearty. It's health. It's really healthy.
Your brunch will be amazing if
Through
you
the
serve
roof.
this. This is 10,000% Loon and Brown. Oh,
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited!
wow,
You
the
guys,
spices, everything is
it's
everything's
so good.
nice.
You've got to do it. You're
The
just.
spices, everything. Nice.
I know. You're going to be all shack up or shook up. I can't speak. I'm just so excited.
Shakshuka.
Shakshuka. All right, bye everybody. We love you. Make shakshuka.